Here's another project I've been working on, a skull air filter. This is just a Halloween skull. Buy them on eBay for like 15 bucks. And inside of that is an empty dune buggy air filter. They're cone shaped. Well, you cut a 3-inch hole in the bottom of the skull and just attach it with, I use E6000, shove it up in there. I get it right to where the base, I cut the hole just big enough so the base is against the bottom of the skull, and just run a bead of E6000 around it. And I cut a hole in the back. There's a hole as big as the carburetor inlet. So I'm going to run a piece of piano wire from this jaw down to the throttle. I just haven't got around to that yet. So anyways, yeah, that's another project I'm working on. Okay, here you go. I made a skull air cleaner. It's pretty simple. You have to get a strap-on air filter. EMPI sells them. You have to bore a hole in the base of the skull, and then you need a hole in the back so he can breathe. Then I also drill out the pallet, put a nipple in the side for the crankcase ventilation, and the only thing that I have to do now is to rig up a piece of piano wire down to the throttle linkage. The whole thing cost me about 30 bucks.